Did you know that copywriters write radio commercials? If it is something you can do, then go for it. Since we are assured that artificial intelligence cannot take over copywriting due to a lack of empathy and emotion, you can start looking for a career in what seems like a secure employment industry. We will share 6 of the fastest ways to make money with copywriting skills for today's video. Number 6. Technical copywriting. Technical copywriting takes complex information and explains it in plain language for brochures, manuals, websites, and instructions. To succeed in technical copywriting, you should have a knack for research, attention to detail, and excellent rewording skills. To illustrate, write the content as if you are explaining it over the phone to someone. For instance, you can receive an engineering manual and be tasked to transform it into an easy step-by-step video script for the website to simplify the installation process for clients. When searching for jobs in this field, choose an industry you are familiar with so that the jargon and abbreviations do not confuse you. Alternatively, you can find spontaneous copywriting that allows you to add some color and creative touches to your writing. Shortly, we will talk about online content creation as part of copywriting. Number 5. Radio copywriting. Live presenter mentions are the commercials that an on-air radio presenter reads during the show.
We're going live on air. Standing by.
Sometimes it comes during a discussion or right after a song. Often, the commercials are crafted to encourage you to try out the brand. In fact, the presenter reads the commercial like the brand belongs to them, or that they have used the brand services and trust them. However, they probably have not. A copywriting expert scripts the commercials as short as 30 seconds to incite a reaction from potential clients. If this is within your skill set, you could make 6 figures fast. Number 4. Social media copywriting. This might be the most fun part of copywriting skills. Social media copywriting entails creating content for a company's social media page. As the copywriter, you will create engaging captions that match the post designs and graphics. You will also develop a social media strategy for the brand, schedule posts, and manage engagements from the audience. Many online tools are available to provide copywriting tips for beginners. Especially if you are interested in the product or service of the brand, you can have a fun time creating content that speaks to you and all the potential clients in a fun and creative ways. Number 3. PR copywriting. Most companies need writers to send out information to the world on their behalf. A PR copywriter prepares speeches, social media messages, reports, presentations, and press statements on sensitive issues. For example, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, shares his animated thoughts on Twitter daily. Those tweets are very different in tone from the information on Tesla's website. That is because a competent PR copywriter is responsible for official announcements besides the shorthand tweets. Therefore, to take this role, you need to have fantastic damage control skills and a positive voice to always portray the company as relatable and doing the right things. You are responsible for the positive voice of the company.
Damage control party, assess damage and report to control.
Sending out statements and writing speeches might not be as enthralling as applying copywriting in emails. The results could be scary or exciting. Soon we will discuss all the newsletters and sale announcements you receive in your email. Number 2. SEO Copywriting. According to author and artist Wendy Pearsall, Google only loves you when everyone else loves you first. Besides having superb writing skills, one's website or blog needs to reach in high ranking on Google searches. As such, copywriters can specialize in search engine optimization, which includes the right keywords to make it easier for the search engine to recognize their blog and website and share it with people searching for similar. If you have this skill of deliberately writing to rank high, then there is an open market with almost every company. Due to the popularity of SEO copywriting, many websites and channels have a copywriting tutorial for beginners. We have many videos on how to make money in 2022. Subscribe to this channel to not miss any of them. You know the recession is coming. Number 1. Email copywriting. We have all received promotional emails that annoy us. At least we ignore them, and at most, we block the source.
Those were really good emails.
If you did the latter, then the copywriter has failed in delivering their duty. Copywriters write each business promotional email to invoke an interest in the product or service of the company. They could also be points of information as a way to maintain customer relationships. The responsibilities of an email copywriter include newsletters, campaign planning, announcements, and subscriber analytics monitoring. If you have an excellent customer relations sense and a niche in capturing attention with unsolicited emails, this is your best copywriting gig to make money quickly. Copywriting is only one of the many ways to make money as a digital marketer. There are many other fast ways to make money by knowing how to manipulate internet tools. Our previous video explained the concept of digital marketing and the key areas to specialize in 2022. Watch Make Money from Digital Marketing as Beginner. Digital Marketing Explained 2022.